Hey guys, it's your girl Augusta. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my hair mask avocado protein treatment. This protein treatment is very easy to make and very affordable, and some of the ingredients I use for it are things you already have in your home. I have a type 4C hair and this is my go-to hair treatment. It makes my hair feel so soft, well moisturized and very manageable. These are the ingredients you'll be using for the hair mask. This is an avocado hair treatment, so of course we will need an avocado. And I used one full avocado because I have very full and thick hair. I also used olive oil. You can actually use any oil of your choice. I used mayonnaise, honey, and one egg. You also need a blender to blend everything together. I know some people do mash theirs, but for me, I love using blender because it helps make everything very smooth. You can use a spoon to scoop out the avocado into the blender, or you can just use your fingers and peel out the back of the avocado just like I did. For me, I find that easier, so that is how I usually do my avocado. Now I'm going to be talking about some of the benefits of the ingredients we're using for this avocado protein treatment. Avocado is rich in protein, vitamins, and amino acid. It helps moisturize your hair and scalp and also help promote long healthy hair growth. The next thing I added is the mayonnaise, and you guys remember this is a protein treatment, right? So mayonnaise is one of the great source of protein for this treatment. It helps strengthen and thicken hair follicles. The next ingredient I added is honey. Honey strengthens the hair follicles and promotes healthy hair growth. It also helps retain moisture. And guys, I don't really have any measurements for this. I just eyeballed it, okay? And then the next ingredient is the olive oil. Olive oil helps straighten the hair and adds shine to your hair. Like after using olive oil on your hair will keep shining like almost all day. It also has vitamin E and rich in omega fatty acid. It also helps retain moisture. The next ingredient I added to this mixture is egg. Egg has vitamin A, E, and biotin, which helps promote hair growth and has shine to your hair. And it's also a great source of protein. So guys, if you're going for a hair mask and not the protein treatment, you can take up the egg and the mayo because these two are the main source of protein in this mixture. But if you want a protein treatment, then you have to use both of them or either one of them, especially the egg. Now I went ahead to blend the mixture. Please make sure you blend it very well because you don't want to have any chunks in the mixture, okay? It's going to be very difficult to wash out from your hair. So make sure you blend it very well. Make sure it has a butter consistency when you're done. Guys, this feels so smooth and soft, like it feels like butter. This is how you want yours to be, okay? Because you don't want to have any chunks in them. So this is my hair, guys. It's freshly washed. I washed it this morning. There is no product on my hair and my hair shrinks a lot, guys. I just wanted to show you guys the length of my hair, okay? Yeah, that is how long my hair is, but it shrinks a lot, okay? If you have my type of hair, the 4C hair, you will know that our hair shrinks a lot. So my hair is already very dry and I decided to spray some water into it, to make it wet and a little bit soft before we start the protein treatment. So guys, I love working in sections, okay? If you have my type of hair, you don't have a choice, you will have to work in sections. And for this protein treatment, I love working in smaller sections. Now I went ahead to apply the mixture into my hair and I'm very generous with this mixture, okay? You guys can see that my hair is very kinky and very thick, so I add a lot of it into my hair and I go ahead to use my finger to detangle the hair first just to make it less frizzy before I go in with a comb. So this also serves as a detangler for me, okay? And this is why I add oil into this mixture, just to make it have a little slip, okay? To make it very easier for you to detangle your hair. So I'm going to repeat the steps again, okay? So you want to bring out a small section of your hair and you want to go ahead and apply some of the mixture on it. Okay, be very generous with it if you have a very kinky hair. And now I'm going to go ahead and use my fingers to detangle my hair. This makes your hair less frizzy, and also is going to prevent the comb from ripping off your hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and use a white tooth comb to comb through the hair. You can also use a brush, okay, to comb through the hair, just to make sure that your hair is well detangled. Okay, finally, this is the last one, guys, and I did just the same thing I did with the other ones. And this can get a bit messy. Okay, you can get all the mixture all over your body, so to prevent that, you might want to put a towel around your shoulders, like around your neck, so it will prevent the mixture from getting all over your body. Guys, my hair feels so soft. Like, I can't even explain how my hair feels right now. It's so soft, and my coils are popping, guys. Like, you can actually see the coils, okay, from the camera. You can see it. And I'm using this cap that I got from Walmart. I don't know if I can find a link to something like this from Amazon. If I can find one, I'm going to leave it in the description box. But this cap helps retain heat on my hair, so I usually use it whenever I'm deep conditioning my hair, or whenever I am, doing this protein treatment on my hair. And this is 6 hours later, guys. Like, I had this on for 6 hours and my hair feels so amazing. Like, I love doing this protein treatment because I love how it makes my hair feel. It makes it feel soft, and if you style your hair right after doing this, it's going to make the style pop. Like, if you do a twist out, your twist is going to be so defined. Like, this makes my hair feel so amazing and very, very manageable. So I'm going to go ahead now and wash out the treatment and let you guys watch the rest of the video. Okay, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below before you leave. Thank you so much for watching, and I promise I'm going to be bringing you guys more amazing videos. See you in my next one. Bye.